So that's what I found in my own personal experience, working with a lot of different people along the way. And it is really our true design is that way. We never really look at anything as a problem. Everything is an opportunity. Everything is an experience. Everything is another way to access a deeper knowing, a deeper consciousness, another level of creativity that we may not have explored yet by just shifting our viewpoint from serious to playfulness, from duty to playfulness, from responsibility to playfulness, right?